Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm about to do a really quick video to try and do these 3 coasters. I was just messing about the other night, so I've done this piece. I'm going to try and turn it into a set of 4 coasters. So it's a really super simple technique. I'm going to put down a black negative space for them all. Start with a nice big black puddle. Doesn't look like I'm ever so even at the moment. It's okay. White, much runnier than the other colours. If you want to know all my recipes and how the paints are mixed up, please check in the description just below and you'll find it there. Oops, you turn that around. Okay, so I'll just put a little bit of this white in the centre of each. Whoops, that's not the centre. Okay. Here we go. It went far and wide, but we'll just bob that one down. I can hear it splattering. I want to pray that it's not getting on anything. Okay, so we pop that one down as well. I'll just want to give it a bit more shape. There we go. And the third one. We'll just leave that one at that. No, we won't. There we go. I'll just torch them a teensy bit. Just want to fill in my black a little bit more before I move them, so that it's a matter of choice when I tilt them, rather than trying to fill in the spaces. If anything, these are even prettier than the one that I had done before. Not bad for a first attempt, eh? So I'm just going to stretch this out. Wow, gorgeous. Okay, I'll stick it down. And I'll move it across, so I hopefully don't splash on it. Okay. Where do I go with this? Right, I don't want to be too fast, but I've got a bit much white here, so I have to see what happens with it. Oof! Wow, that happened. So I'll just do a little bit of tilting about, covering my sides. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Take care now. Until next time, bye bye.